Hey guys, did you miss me? What's going on, Broniacs? Welcome back to Bronze Over Brains. I'm your man Bronson Layton, of course, and guys, I'm sorry it's been a while since I've talked to you in a vlog. These last few weeks have been tiring because of my summer courses, but now I'm at a point when I can go back to vlogging for a little bit. And now I have something big in store for you, because today, or starting today, we are going on a camping trip. That's right. Broniacs, I am taking you with me into the wilderness, or actually by a lake. So let's get the marshmallows, get a good campfire going, and let's do it. Okay, Broniacs, so what we have here is a tree stump right here that we're calling a Swedish Torch. And see, what my dad did here was he cut up the wood into like, I think in 8 different areas right here. Right there in the middle, there's a cotton ball that's filled up with, did you say it was Vaseline?
Mm-hmm.
Right in the center there, it has cotton balls filled with Vaseline. And according to Dad, once this thing lights up, it should stay lit for like at least 3 hours. On this Swedish torch, my dad told me that in the old times, you could cook your meat or whatever on something like that if you put a skillet over that open flame area where the cotton ball is. It sounds pretty effective. And on the plus side, you'd save your gas or electric bill doing that. So now what Dad did, he put some flammable wood in the center there called kindling, and now he just doused it with lighter fluid. And now for the real test, see if this works. I think we got to start. Wonder if some of that lighter fluid reached it yet. Oh yeah, we got a little bit of action going right there. Do not try this at home. And we finally got a little bit of a fire going. It's actually kind of neat to do, but oh man, I don't know if I'd want to cook on anything like that. It seems like it could go out easily. Dad, you did a great job. Welcome. Well, Broniacs, it was an hour-and-a-half drive, but we finally made it, and we have our own little setup here. As you can see, we got some cornhole boards set up. Got ourselves some beverages ready. I think my favorite of all, Coke Zero, could be in there. Oh, hey Cruiser, say hi to your friends. Hey, I know you heard me. Come on, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Come on, come on. Attaboy. Justice! Ah! Justice, say hi to your fans. I was ignoring you. Don't turn your back on. Okay, whatever. What the actual crap? That tree looks like it's about to fall down. And now, Broniacs, if you see very closely, it's been like a couple hours since Dad started this little fire right here.
You know me.
Look how beautiful it glows on the inside. It looks like Vegas or something. big day, Broniacs, because we have arrived at a place that we have been talking about for a while called Unclaimed Baggage. We're gonna try to find some good stuff in here. Maybe we could take something home with us. You never know what you're gonna find in a store like this, so let's get to shopping. Oh my Ricola. And Broniacs, we have come to the edge of the lake where we're staying at. Take a good look around. The scenic beauty. Oh, look, little boat going by. And also on the edge of our campground, there's a little lakeside beach over there. And believe it or not, the sand is actually not as messy as it is at a regular beach. I never expected this to be right near the lake. That is the biggest fire pit I have ever seen in my life so far. Imagine if we tried to set this up around my backyard. That would be what we call, I guess, somewhat of a brush fire bonfire. Around the world and home again, that's the sailor's way. Okay, Broniacs, we're about to make some homemade ice cream. And the reason that we're doing this is because it's such a hot day, and what better way to relax on a camping trip than with ice cream, right, Dad? Right. So what you want to start off with is you want to mix several eggs together. The instructions would prefer 6 eggs.
Yep.
But we added 7 just in case, because I think it's the size of the eggs. You pour it into that mixer right there. And now we are adding 1 whole cup of pure cane sugar. We put it into the mix with the eggs right there. Next you want to do is add a can of sweet condensed milk. Although I think we're going to add 2. Are we?
I'll have to look.
Well, make sure you get some sweet condensed milk. Okay, so the recipe calls for 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, so I think it's just safe to use 1 can. Had to clarify that part. And now for the next step, we are adding 2 small cans of evaporated milk. Add it into the mix right there. So now we're going to add in 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Our preferred flavor is vanilla, of course. Yum, yum. And now we're going to finish filling the concoction with milk. Pure milk.
Whole milk.
Preferably you should use whole milk to get the flavor in right, but that's what it would look like before we start it up. Next, what you want to do is you want to clamp the motor onto the mixture right there. Clamped it right on. What's the one ingredient that you cannot have without? What's the one ingredient you can't have to not make ice cream? It's the ice. You fill it in around the bucket. Cool, crisp ice. And now, as you can see, Dad is pouring some ice cream salt all over the ice. I never knew that it would go in the ice. I thought it would go into the mixture. How much would you recommend putting in there, Dad?
Put it in there.
All of it?
No. You only have more than that.
Oh man. Now that we got this turned on and starting to mix and churn, we're going to add more ice and more salt. In my opinion, this is the best way to make homemade ice cream because you can't go wrong with making things from scratch. Hey guys, so we're back home, and I gotta say we had a very good camping trip, although I wasn't able to get too much done since we had a lot of craziness going on. But I'd be more than happy to briefly tell you what happened off camera. So when we went into the Unclaimed Baggage store, I was able to get that Ricola shot ready for y'all. But other than that, I was told that I wasn't allowed to really catch anything in there like on camera, so I had to drop that part out. Sorry, Broniacs. But I will show you what I did get. Hang on a second. So I got this shirt that you'll probably see me wear in future vlogs. Right here, this blue shirt here that says, "I'm not weird, I am limited edition." I think that's going to be a great trademark shirt for your host right here, and I just love this shirt so much. I also got this fishing shirt here. It says "Fin some, lose some." I'm a sucker for puns, and obviously, well, you get the picture on that one. And nothing too fancy. I just got this plain kind of dry fit gray shirt. And I also got this dark blue V-neck shirt. This is my kind of style right here, and I just love the material. Kind of thin cotton kind of approach. And so one evening while we were around the campfire, Savannah and I, from the distance, we saw 3 deer just walking across the campground, and one of the nearby campers had informed us of its presence. And so the both of us slowly walked up to those deer. They were feeding on the grass, and we got some graham crackers, and we just fed it to them, as you could see in the pictures right here. Yeah, and I have never seen a deer up close before, not even in real life. So that was amazing. And another thing that was going to happen, Broniacs, we were all going to try to go zip lining, but unfortunately, I kind of exceeded the weight limit, and I'm going to try to lose weight for next year so that, to be on the safe side, I could probably do a vlog of me just ziplining across a mountain. I think it'd be a kind of cool thing to do, but sadly I couldn't pull that off on this trip. That's pretty much what we did. Other than that, we did the usual stuff. We played board games, we listened to the radio, toasted marshmallows, of course, and I'd say nothing out of the ordinary there. It was just great to get out of, the house once in a while and to be with nature again. So I'm going to close the vlog here, and I hope you Broniacs have enjoyed this camping vlog. I hope to do more adventurous vlogs with you before the summer's out, and I don't know, we'll see what comes, right? Because with your pal Bronson here, there's no telling what's going to happen in the next vlog. So keep an eye out. And speaking of which, for more content, please subscribe to Bronze Over Brains here on YouTube. And until next time, Broniacs, I'm Bronson Layton. This is Bronze Over Brains, reminding you to stay brawny. See you guys later.